made it to Portland Vaca, almost to Magnolia Beach. Really excited for this fishing trip. Long overdue. I needed a break with myself. Anyways, Magnolia Beach, 7 miles. Let's do it. Yeah. I made it. Yeah. So we made it. Buddy, you happy? Nobody down that way. There's one person and then another one way down there. We have this whole beach to ourselves almost. Oh, was not too bad. Come on, buddy, get in. I've probably been here a couple hours now. I ain't caught nothing. Still got good hopes of catching something, but I ain't even gotten a bite yet. I've had one bite. It was a pretty good bite, but I was in the restroom at the time, so I didn't see it. But I saw the teeth marks in the mullet, and it was a pretty big bite. Little fish jump. They've been jumping a lot. So I woke up this morning to the waves almost hitting the truck. It was pulling all the stuff away. I had to jump out real quick, grab this stuff, bring it back, make sure everything's good, make sure the truck ain't gonna sink. Look what I caught on the line that I left down. Pretty good sized little stingray. I'm gonna wash them off for you. No, bud. Nice size. I've caught bigger, but no, bud, no, no. So I'm sitting here cleaning this fish, or stingray. Got a pretty good fillet here. Keep chopping it. Good morning, people. So round 2 of tanker surfing is about to start. Pretty big tanker out there that I haven't seen in a couple days come in. Probably like 4 days. I tried the first time when it first came in. I just wasn't ready. The board didn't have any grip on it, but now I taped it up. I'm waiting to see if this boat came in fast enough to bring some waves in, but not really sure because there was boats that had to go around. I don't know if it was going fast enough to bring some waves this way, but we'll see. Hopefully. So this is Indianola. There's a lot of mosquitoes down the road, and I'm kind of just tired of mosquitoes right now. The past 3 or 4 days, it's been unbearable. Had to get in the van, close up the windows. They're just so huge and so many. It's annoying. Pretty cool looking statue. Never seen one like it, especially in Texas. Oh, nice. Oh, wait, no. Never mind, you can read it. I was like, I can't even read it. This marker is in memory of the immigrants from Silesia, the region of modern-day Poland, who came through this port and settled in Texas from the 1850s through the 1870s. Sponsored by blah, blah, blah. Bandera County Historical Commission. Bandera County, Texas. Bandera County. Part of this. Paid for it. That's cool.